All right. Are we going live here? Streaming. Testing audio. Testing audio. It seems like it's working. I'm not seeing it on TikTok though. How do you get to the chat? Let's see. Sweet. I want to see my lives. Get me out of here. How you searching this app? Okay, looks like it's working on TikTok. Oh yeah. And last one I want to see is Twitter. Let's see. Actually, I want to see Twitter and YouTube. I haven't done a YouTube live in a while, but let's see. Live. Studio or something, maybe? Studio. I don't know how to work YouTube live. YouTube Studio. Content. Actually, I have no idea how to do or how to check the YouTube live. Live, okay. Live, okay, sweet. Looks like it's up on YouTube. Can I go? I'm gonna do like a test. I have no idea how to do or how to check the YouTube live. All right, so that should show up on the. Okay, wait, mute that. And that should show up in the chat, right? Yeah, sweet. Stream Chronos X. Wait, can I even see the TikTok live chat? Because I see. Hold on, I don't even see the Twitter or the TikTok chat. Okay. Okay, now we need to go to like live TikTok Live Center because I think the title on TikTok is wrong. Real time performance. Okay, I need to test like the chat on TikTok really quick. Make sure, see if that's okay. So I see YouTube comments, but I don't see the TikTok comments coming through, which kind of sucks because I need to be able to see the TikTok. What's up, Mike on YouTube? All right, we got one more check to do here. But actually, if I can get this to let me. I wonder if it would like. No, I don't think that's going to work, actually. I figured this would like let me change the live, like the title and stuff. That was the point of Live Center if you're not going to let me modify. Yo, what's up, 6ix9ine? Looks like the live is working on Twitter as well, so maybe I can. I've not actually went live on Twitter before, so I'd like to be able to see. I think it's under premium, maybe. Premium. And then Media Studio, I guess. Producer, yeah. Live. Okay. Okay, so it looks like that's going, I think. I don't really know how it looks for you guys, but we're just gonna be working on some Arc Raiders today, man. Got a few things on my to-do list here. I'd like to be able to, yo, what's up, Alpha? I'd like to be able to pop the chat out in some way. Can I do that? I don't want to embed it. I'd like to just like pop it out. Is that even possible? Portrait. Compact mode. Yeah, I don't really know if there's a way to like pop that out. What's the map app? So who said that? Your name's question mark. So this is a, let me pull that up. So it's a companion app for Arc Raiders that essentially gives you access to all the tools that you need when you're playing the game. So like interactive maps, event timers, materials, and things like that. That's what the app is. Got to be one of the coolest apps on Bag. Excited to see the updates, AI assistants, mid round or something. Gonna play Arc in a few. Yeah, nice. I played back when the Cold Snap came out. Nice. Definitely need this. Cool. Yeah, I hope you like it. We have a Discord as well where you can, talk, send feedback and stuff, which is actually what I'm working on now, is implementing some of the missing quests that someone had pointed out. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Close that. And I guess I can close this TikTok Live Center because it doesn't really help. Close that, and then I'm going to make a quick post on the X community as well. Dev of Arc is live now. Sweet. Someone already. They was on it. Okay, close some of these. Okay. So yeah, this is actually the first time I went live on 3 different sources at once. So hopefully we can get some more users over to the Arc Raiders app. Let's see. I think a good metric is probably like the active trials. Typically, I kind of use that. Like the number of active trials is like a good measurement, I think, for like new user growth, because it means people are like downloading and using the app and stuff. So gonna close out some of these other things here. All right. Just downloaded it. Sweet. I appreciate the download. So are you selling this, or is it a free app? This is a free app to download and try, but ultimately like 100% access does cost money. And that's just because it obviously takes a lot of my time to build and maintain this app. So I do charge a little bit for that. But you can actually try it completely for free. And if you like it, a lot of the people, that's what they do. They just, download and try the app. And then if they like it, some of them choose to pay for it. I would really like to like pop this chat out so I can keep it. I use this app. It would be nice if you could check off items as you get them, like for the gear benches. Let me actually see if I can pull that up here, because I want to say that does exist, but I don't want to tell you wrong. I need to actually connect my phone to my MacBook. And then I can actually do a screen share of that. And open. Okay, so let me do that screen share here. Let's see, what is it called? Screen mirroring, screen mirror, screen sharing. Is it screen sharing or screen mirroring? Okay, it's not screen sharing. It's iPhone mirror. iPhone mirror. Dude, whoever works on this stupid fucking search needs to be fired, man. I'm going to show you guys the features right now as soon as this connects. Okay, sweet. So let me just double check the chat real quick. Okay, sweet. So check off items as you get them. Oh, okay. So you mean like, yeah, okay. So like you can check off the full station, but you want to be able to check off like the individual items. Okay. Where's my code editor here? Let's see. So I've been looking for a list of items received from breaking down materials. Yeah, this should help you with that. So if you click on one of the items, you can scroll down and you see what it recycles into. So that should help you out if that's what you mean. And you also can see if it's involved in any lists. But let's see. Let me go to that map view. Which one was it? I think it was the map painter. I had a list of a few things in here. So like just checking off like individual list items. On the list. My man's is doing the Lord's work. Thanks. Just installed. Awesome. Yeah, and there's also more like a dedicated like feedback section here in the Discord server for that as well. So you can kind of, you know, if you feel like something got missed or whatever, you can drop it in the suggestions channel there. All right. What were we on here? So right now what I was doing was I was trying to get this guide added for this quest. Idea, if you haven't already added, is common blueprint locations. Yeah, I think how do I get that back up? I'm not screen sharing. What happened to the mirror? There it is. Like type of raid, duos, trios, etc. Does it matter if you're on duos or trios for the blueprint? So we have like a blueprint checklist right now, but it doesn't really, it's not giving you like specific I guess locations. Yeah, that just checks it off and gets it out of the way. Is it free? It's free to download and try most of it, but there are some paid sections. So that's going to be mainly if you are some of the maps, they're paid, as you can see. So, but you can try, obviously, that's just 3 maps that are locked: Buried City and Salamantis. But You can obviously try the other maps for free, and if you like those, of course, you can continue. But like 80% of the app, I think, is free, and then the payment is there just because obviously I have to charge money for something just to cover my time involved in it. But a lot of people seem to like it. Um, we're actually about to break our record of like the active subscriptions. Actually, I just think we just broke the record right now. We're at 1,200. It looks like active subscribers, according to this overview here. So we just broke the most subscribers we've ever had. So people seem to like it, which I don't really recommend the subscription. I think it's better value to do a lifetime. That way you're not being charged, monthly or whatever. Okay. About to run the fish app. Hell yeah. Welcome, JFB. Run that fish app, buddy. It didn't work. I don't know. I had it open earlier, but I didn't try running it. I don't know what the problem would be. Can you show the weapon cases on DAM? Yeah, sure. Where's that at? So when you open your map, you're gonna have a filter in the top right, and you can just filter by categories. And so you're looking at the weapon cases, and you might notice right now a lot of these are cut off. I'm about to release an update to fix that, but weapon cases are right here. So what I recommend people do is they hide all the items and then show only the ones they're looking for, because when you have Dan Battlegrounds has 900 items on it, so when you're showing 900 items, it can get a little laggy. But yeah, here's the weapon case locations. Of course, these are possible spawns, but yeah, you can filter down by category and then subcategory. All right. No image. What happened to our video? Looks like our cache got deleted somehow for the video. How y'all doing? How we already get 700 likes in here? Hell yeah. Thanks for the likes, guys. What error is it giving you, JFB? Bad request. Downloaded file is empty. Is the video wrong or something? I think the screenshot thing is not working here. I have an automatic screenshot generator. This is not good. Doesn't seem like the generator is working here. Appreciate the follows, guys. Appreciate the follows. Don't know who that was. I wonder if it's because I'm live or something. Let's make sure we got that quest guide added. Looks added to me. Probably fix some little typos in there. Over 100 viewers from X already. Sick. Hell yeah, sweet. I don't really have much analytics like for the because I'm using a Restream, so I don't really know how accurate some of their stuff is. They won't even let me change the TikTok title from here, but it's awesome. Actually, I'm having to pull TikTok up on the side because of the Restream doesn't even show the chat. This guy said, what was the other quest? Harvester Graveyard Night Raid. Well, it doesn't look out of sync according to what's on theirs. Hey, what the hell? It's supposed to, for whatever reason, it does not seem to be, it works on the website, but something appears to be wrong. I'm gonna have to sync it for now. For professional vibe coders. Why won't it let me update it? The app, you may have the you can try deleting it and then, you know, re-downloading it. Sometimes you might have like a corrupt version or something depending on what you're on. Yeah, maybe you might also be talking about like the cuz I have like an automated hey, there's a newer version available pop up, but that has been a little buggy sometimes and it's like showing the wrong or it thinks that there's a newer update when there's not. So there may not actually be a newer update than what you have. Turnabout is the other quest that he was talking about. Looks like Finn retweeted me. Or did he like it? He liked it. If he can get if Finn knows that I built the app, so I don't know if he's seeing the coin or what. All right, what was the name of that quest? Turnabout, Arc Raiders.
What's up? I'm Troubleshoot in the super quick guide.
Hello, Miko. What's up? We're doing a little bit of Arc Raiders app discussion today. It's kind of inconvenient that I can't pop this chat out, dude. Can't lie. I've also noticed some of your materials needed for gear bench upgrade aren't accurate. Really? Which ones are they? I know they changed some expedition stuff, so I updated the expedition requirements, but if they change like the workbench stuff, I'm not really aware of it. Cuz I haven't been on really I didn't really upgrade any new stations in the new season. But I'll be happy to upgrade that. Let me see. I wonder if this is any accurate. Gearbench 3. Okay, this looks like it's accurate on their site. So let me see what do I have? Gearbench 3. Oh, okay, it's just missing the advanced electrical, I think. It looks like Gearbench 2 is missing something as well. Electrical components. Oh, I think the issue is that I think I know what the issue is. The issue is that the way the lists are set up right now, I think it's set up in such a way that they can't have more than one grouping of a material. So I think what I need to do is actually, what is this? Okay, allow that. All good here. I play too. It turned a lot better than I thought of my first match. Yeah. Yeah, it's an interesting game. The only thing I wish is they had a standalone arc mode or something. That would be helpful for me. I've also recommended this app to 5 friends already, but because of how consistently you improve it. Sweet, dude. That really does mean a lot, actually. Because, it's not like I have like a, big budget to like create crazy marketing campaigns or anything like that. So I just do these live streams, and the word of mouth obviously is very helpful. So I appreciate that. Let's see, what am I trying to say here? Seems to only let them contain. You should add a donate button on the app. One of the apps I use for Helldivers 2 has the option. Okay. I'll write it down. I appreciate it. It's obviously not mandatory, but if you'd like to, I guess maybe add donate button. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'll get that into the next update. How does he do it? Is it like a PayPal, or is it one of those buy me a coffee links, or how's it set up? Not really sure. Let me find out real quick. Whatever's easiest for you would be best. Okay. What are the chances Finn will get in here, man? Come on, Finn. Where you at? It's like I'm looking right at him. But he's not here. Appreciate the follows. Appreciate the follows. Thank you. Thank you. Doing some Arc Raider stuff today. Divers Hub. Okay. Yeah, let me check it out. Oh wow, it's 1.5K ratings. Pretty cool. One-time fee to help support them. Okay, yeah. Looks good so far. I just downloaded it, or am downloading it right now. Now let's see if this will let me. Okay, let's see. We said it was advanced electrical components. So, okay, sweet. So how many was that? Oh, but I'm wondering if I hope that didn't break the mobile app. It was Gearbench 3. Because the mobile app might read the database a little bit differently. But we'll try. Gearbench 3. And that is, how many is that supposed to be? 5. Okay. So update that and let's see what that does to the mobile app. Hopefully it didn't break it. Love the app, man. I bought it the second day it dropped. Now I get free access for life. Thank you. Awesome. I appreciate the support. All right, Workbench. Okay. Yeah, it did work. So we got kind of lucky there. The change on the database did not break the app. And Gearbench 2, just electrical components. So that is a pretty good day when we have a good little easy fix like that. Electrical. I need to add a search bar to this so I can actually find it. EL, there it is. Gearbench 2. Yeah, I imagine it's probably 5, but I'll double check. Yeah, it's 5. Okay. So update that, and boom. Looks like we got those fixed. I don't know if there's any more. Let's see. Is Scrappy still the same? Scrappy. Let's see. Dog collar, lemon, apricot, pear, olives, cat bed. For what? Treasure? For Scrappy 4? Pear, olives, cat bed, yep. And then Scrappy 5 is mushrooms, apricots. Apricots, that's what it is. We need, wait, yeah, 12 apricots. I'll keep an eye out for more stuff. You're pretty spot on for a lot. Sweet. Yeah, feel free to let me know. Apricots. Apricots. There it is. Scrappy 3. And then Scrappy 5. And has 12. Sweet. I'm also go ahead and let people know. Let's see, where's a good spot? Discussion. What was the other quest I just added? Stench of corruption. So come on, Finn. Hopefully he's sneakily one of these 135 viewers. Yeah. I mean, he follows me. If he did a little scrolling, maybe he got in. Maybe he said maybe he's peeking, secretly watching. This is Turnabout. Oh, I see. Just downloaded it. I'll check it out when I get home. Just happened to see you on the For You page. Sweet. Hope you like it. Let me know, of course, if you have any issues or anything like that. Turnabout. Oh. And there was one more quest that someone had said that was up here. They said, what quest was it? Paving the Way. Oh, wait, that's wrong.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? See, what do we got here? Hopefully that schedule is working, and then we have my editor is not working for the video. So I'm thinking it's probably because I'm streaming or something. Make sure these got added. Yeah, okay. Now I need to figure out what's going on with the editor here. How would you even find your own live stream on? I guess you just go to your account, do your channel. Yeah. How are we doing on the any change on the trials? Okay. Still going? Sweet. Never even watched lives on X before. Pretty cool. Glad to know Restream works. I've been meaning to do like one of these streams for the Raiders app at night. But I've been in Vietnam for a while, so been kind of hard to get a stream in this time. Normally I'm asleep. Are we done on the edits here, brother? So what has happened? You are not live on YouTube. Okay, well, let's try running the download generation again. Let's see if this works as the AI claims it to be. Oh, I know what the problem is. Need to restart the server. Now that should work. Still not working? What the hell? Hmm. Python. Oh, I really don't want to update pip. I just want to update the YouTube thing. But how do I don't know. It's not working, whatever. Problem for another day, I guess. All right, now probably run some dev workflow here. Wait, are we connected to the right device? Appreciate the follows. Oh wow, it automatically tweeted that for me. That's funny. So I think what I can do is I can actually maybe, if I did this, and then, so that's not exactly what I want to do. I want to close Discord and like really minimize that ideally, but okay, I'm gonna have to get like all this onto the screen at one spot so that I can, because I need to be able to see the chat. Okay. So that gets me like all the way on the screen basically. And then we can do, where was the chat? Okay, sweet. So maybe if like this just goes like off to the side. Yeah. Well, actually, it'd be kind of better if it was on the side like this. So I can move it over here, but also there. That way I can see if new messages come through. Okay. And then the last piece of the puzzle is having the app. There we go. Looky there. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Okay, boys, I'm gonna go eat really quick, and then I'll hop back on stream to work some more on this.